In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add more pages to the documentation using the CMS collection. Just head to the CMS section in Framer and make sure that you are in the doc collection. From there, add a new item. For this page title, I'm going to name it debugging, and this log field will be made automatically. This log is the address that your page will have. Now for the breadcrumbs section, basically you can display two breadcrumbs, one section breadcrumb and a current page breadcrumb. I'll explain that in detail later. For this section I'm going to name it advanced, and the current page will be debugging. Now an advantage that we have in Framer is that we can use markdown. So let me put some text here real quick that I already have prepared. And from this menu, you also have some other options where you can add unordered lists, code blocks, and in this case, I'm just going to add some inline code style. For the following link section, this is basically the link that appears at the bottom of each page that can lead you to another page. And for this one, I'm going to change the title of the following link to DevTools, and the following link will be, in this case, I'm just going to select any of the pages that I have for demonstration purposes. Now that we're ready, the only thing that's left is to hit the save button, and now we're going to see our new page. Just head to the pages menu, and now let's go to our doc collection, and from there, there you go. There is our debugging page with all the content that we added in the fields when we were adding the CMS item. There is our title, our content, and our breadcrumbs, but I've just noticed that the using the console title is the same height of the debugging title. That's because both are a heading 1, but for this I'm going to change the using the console title to a heading 2 level. And there it is. Now both titles have the correct hierarchy. Now let's say that you don't want to show the section breadcrumb here because you have another type of page that is not in a section. Let's just edit this in the CMS in the breadcrumb section. Just go to the display section breadcrumb option and select no. And just as simple as that, now the breadcrumb section is not being shown. Also, you have the option to hide the next link section in your page just by selecting this option. And there it is, as simple as that. We can add more pages to our project.